$1 denom, $5 bet. Let's see what happens. 3 more. Yes, got it. Yes. Let's do this. Please, something big. Come on. Big, big, big. Please. Thank you. All right. Come on. Come on. One more. Please, one more. That's it. All right. That was our first win. We got 5 more, right? Yeah. Oh, no, 7 left. Come on, do it again. Come on, do it again. Do it again. Come on, money. Do it, money. Come on. Oh, that's good. What am I up to? $83. Last one. Alright, $87. Not bad. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Guys, look at this. I tried the 210. I got a $2,000 ball. Wow. Come on. Oh, keep on coming. Oh, come on. More. Come on. Please. Come on. There we go. Come on. More trophies. More trophies. There we go. Come on. More. Oh my goodness. Brian's had so many hand pays tonight. Now I got one. Yay. Come on. One more. One more. Yes. Keep going. Yes. Oh my goodness. Do that. $12,000. Come on. Do it. One more. Wow. Sorry, I lost Brian. Wow, $2,200. Wow, that is crazy. All right, I gotta hit it. Hand pay, guys. All right, I gotta get my hand pay. All right, I got the chilies, guys, while I'm waiting for my hand pay. That's good. 25 cent, denom 375. Ah, let's see how we do on those chilies. Come on, son. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, there we go. We got it. Alright, let's go. Something big. Double, triple, anything. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Okay, no problem. Alright, and there's some progressives, guys. Come on, keep dropping. Thank you. Come on. Yeah. Keep going. Yes, thank you. One more. Yeah, that's a better one. Come on. Oh, drop one more. No, that's it. Alright, well, I still got 6 spins. Yeah, their system's down. They're having to manually do stuff. $90, not bad. Alright, let's keep going. Come on. No, come on. We need more money. Let's do it again. More money? Come on, son. Come on, son. One more. Come on, son. One more? Yes, baby money. my hand pay. I'm going to keep on playing a little bit longer. Alright guys, I kept going. I got it on the $2 D now, $10 bet. Let's drop another 2,000. Alright guys, got the chilies on 10 cents, $5. Let's see how we do. Give me those suns. Oh, suns, please. Come on, suns. Oh, we need money. Come on, money. Come on. Oh, shoot. Come on, money. Oh, money one time, please. Oh, do it, money. Oh! That should be good. Yeah, that went up top. Let's hit it. 107. Yay, money this time. Money, money, please. Money on this one? Yes, money. No, that was it. Hey, 118. Not bad. I see that. That's awesome. Alright, guys, I'm going to keep playing. I'll be that night. And 2 spins later, I got it on the $1 denom, $5 bet. Let's go. Yes. Keep on coming. Yes. Thank you. One more. Oh my goodness, don't be done. Don't be done. You're done. Alright. Oh well. $100. Not bad. Alright. Oh yes, I put like $400 in this machine. And luckily I just hit the major. $519. Thank the Lord. Last spin. Somebody be in here, please. Oh, last one. Alright. Very nice. Alright. See you on the next video, guys. I got the bonus on Fortune Harmony. Let's see how we do. I need my things. Come on, give me those thingies so we can. Come on. No, but that's a good hit. We need a lot more of those. last spin. Yeah, that was it. Alright, 34.60. Not bad. Guys, got the bonus again. Let's see how we do this time. We just set those crazy things off. Brian's getting them set off left and right. Come on, set them off, please. Alright, we got 4 more spins. Come on, more. None there. Come on. And none there. 2 more. Alright, last spin. Wow. That is terrible. $33. Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, I got it again. Like 2 spins later, I got the tail where the thing comes up. So let's see how we do on this one. 8 free games again. Can we please set those crazy things off? This is nuts. More, please. Oh, we need more of those. Come on. Please, more. No. 2 more. Last one. Oh my goodness, that was so horrible. $5. Alright. Brian just got another one. Wow. I have gotten none with the crazy things up there. Alright guys. I want to go home. Alright guys, finally I got it. It took forever, but I got it. Alright, let's go. They're all little bitty. Alright, come on. I need more. Come on. Thank you. We need to set that other one off. Come on. Another one, please. There we go. 2 more. Alright, we need another big one. Come on. Come on. Ooh, last one. Do it. Oh my goodness. It is in there. Land it. I think it's always in there. Ooh. Nope. That is it. Alright, 82. Not bad. I need that other side to go off and then I can be happy. We will go to 200 and then we will get off if it hasn't gone off by then. Again, I know, that's awesome. Yeah, that other one's just not gonna go. And we're gonna have to leave it. Alright, thanks for watching. Guys, I did get it. I'm all the way down to $83, but like, that's a $60 one. Let's go. Come on. You gotta give me one. Come on. Thank you. Alright, come on. Come on. Here we go. Oh, $30 one. Yeah. Come on, keep them coming. Come on, one more. One more. Yes. That's really good. Come on, one more. Last one. Wow. That's amazing. Look, babe, point show. I had a $60 one. That's awesome. $141. That's really good. Alright, guys. We're going to do down to 200 and then I'm getting off. And hopefully Brian will be ready to leave. Because I am very tired. Last one.